Welcome to France Part 2. I hope you enjoyed Part 1, and if you haven't seen it yet, it will be linked in the top right corner or in the description down below. At the time that this video comes out, we will have been in Spain for a week, and we'll probably be in Barcelona. We wanted to ask if anyone has any suggestions or recommendations of what we should see or do in Spain, and also if anyone has any requests of what you guys want to see either in Spain or in the future from us. And if anyone has any requests, suggestions, recommendations, please write them in the comments below. Thank you. Now back to France. Since we left off in Part 1, we took a day trip to Monaco, which we made a separate video about, which is also linked in the description, and then we headed to Port Grimaud. Port Grimaud is a small town on the south coast of Spain, close to Saint-Tropez. The town is on the water, with all the houses having canals in their back gardens. We noticed a lot of closed restaurants, bars and ice cream shops, and plenty of houses with all the shutters closed. In summer, this town would probably be full of people, but in November it felt a bit empty. After a stop in Saint-Tropez to sort out our waters, our next goal was the Gamage Natural Park. We had seen pictures of wild Gamage horses and hundreds of flamingos, but we were left disappointed. A lot of the area was full of trucks and factories. We saw one wild horse, although we did see plenty of the horses not in the wild, and we saw one singular flamingo. On our drive to the information centre, we also missed the salt flats, which we only found out about in the information centre. We had read about a lot of theft in the Gamage, so we didn't stay overnight and instead found a place where we could hopefully get electricity. Unfortunately, when we got there, we found one long-term camper plugged into the electricity, and there was one socket, and there were about 10 other campers waiting for that one long-term guy to unplug, which he didn't do. So the next day we continued our hunt for electricity at a service station where we didn't find electricity, but we did find a baguette vending machine. Here in France they have a baguette vending machine, so we're gonna buy a baguette. We bought another baguette.
From a vending machine for £1. That's an absolute bargain. How dumb is that? Lads, living on the road can be funny. We're sitting here at some random parking lot and mean to fill up water, but because we need to pay €2 for exactly 100 liters, we decided to first empty our water tanks and have showers first. So Haley's having a shower, and I just tidy up a bit, and for some reason there's donkeys right next to us, and I find that somehow hilarious because, well, I don't know, they weren't there before and they somehow just chill right next to us if they want to come with us on the road. Yeah. Hey, you. You're very relaxed like.
That night, we could finally complete the electricity mission outside a graveyard. Over the next few days, we stopped at a few nice locations before arriving at the coast. This is a spot tonight, over a cliff, over the Mediterranean Sea. Our last full day in France was the first Sunday of Advent. So that night, we lit the first candle on our wreath, excited to spend the rest of Advent in Spain. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.